Let's divide 484 by 2. Hey super math stars, it's your favorite teacher here. If you're having fun learning math, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 484 by 2. Get ready for some fun. We'll bring down the first digit, which is 4, so we have 4. Now, how many times does 2 fit into 4? You got it, it's 2. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Subtracting 4 from 4 leaves us with 0, we're doing great. Woohoo, first step done, you're doing awesome. Now let's move on to the next digit. Next up, we bring down the 8, now we have 8 to work with. We carry down the next digit, 8, to join our remainder. How many times does 2 go into 8? Think hard, yes, it's 4. Let's multiply 4 times 2 equals 8, exactly. Subtract 8 from 8, what do we get? 0. You're crushing it, this is going super smoothly. Ready for the last digit, let's go. Last but not least, we bring down the final 4, we're almost there. We bring down the last digit 4 to make our new number. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You know this one, it's 2. Check our work, 2 times 2 is 4, nailed it. Subtract 4 from 4 and we have 0 left, we finished. Amazing job, everyone, you solved the whole problem. We've reached the end of our division adventure, great work. So we found out that 484 divided by 2 is 242. Great job, everyone. We just tackled dividing 484 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step is just a puzzle piece, and you're all amazing puzzle solvers. That's all for today, mathletes. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.